Alright, welcome to the next SQL video, and we're doing more advanced problems now. We finished all of the basic select and we're doing advanced select now. So holy cow. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is search up SQL if statement. Okay. Let me see. It says enter your query in a single line to avoid error. Fun. Okay. If A equals okay. SQL do if statement return string if condition met. Then from what is this called? Triangles. From triangles, then equilateral. What are, yeah, the columns are called A, B, and C. So what I'm command, because it was not valid, maybe I need an else. Nah. Okay, let me see if this syntax is fine. Okay, so that did not work. That's not helpful. Select okay, here we go. So select A, B, to turn on my light. Select A, B, C if A equal B and B equals C, or NI from triangles. Okay, let's just run this. All I'm trying to do right now is see if I can get the syntax correct, and then I'll work on the logic. So I'm just seeing if this is the right way to reference all the columns in an if statement. Okay, let me see if maybe it's the and. Because A equal B should be valid. So maybe it's like, oh, maybe the syntax is like Excel. Quantity. Okay, maybe it's because I need double quotes here. Yeah, triangles is the name of the table. Unexpected token equals B. Okay, let me check the syntax out. What's wrong? Syntax. Right now, I'm not trying to get the logic correct. Crap, I don't know. Is this MySQL or standard SQL? The as keyword causes errors. Oh, whatever. I'll just do I give up. I'm just gonna do a case. Else and okay, so I'm gonna explain after I finish, because I'm not sure if this is correct or not. So what we're trying to do is build a case. Basically, we're just trying to build an if statement, and then I'm just seeing if case is the correct logic to do it, because it was not a valid. Statement based off column values SQL. This should not be that difficult. Yeah, it says use case. Select A, B, C. Oh, there should be a comma. Okay. Let's try this. So the easiest logic to do, how do you tell if it's not a triangle? Okay. Else. Yeah, so what is going wrong? Select A, B, C case when and okay, so get rid of as and triangle type from triangles. Okay, so we know the beginning is correct. We're selecting all three columns, so we have that information. Then we do case when, and then that's how we do the if else. Then equilateral else and triangle type from triangles. Okay, let's think about how to do it. Turn more. Collateral from order details. Because we can't even get the syntax to work. So okay, so alright, so basically I'm gonna clean up the code. I'm gonna try it without columns. Unexpected token. Oh, oops. That's not valid. Okay. Basically, all we're trying to do is get it to say equilateral of A equals B. Equilateral is not valid. What? What does that mean? Okay, let's add in the full condition and see if that's why it says wrong. What? Select case when A equals Let me see what this error means. I'm just gonna Google it. You need to use the aliases. Select case when okay, maybe let's try doing single quotes. Oh, okay, so it was literally just because I was using quotes. Okay, so let's run code. Let's give an error because some of the cases won't have a result. My guess is yes. Okay. And then case when A not equal to B and B not equal to C, then scaling so scaling is it's not equal to each other, and then not a triangle. All right, and then scaling man, okay, this is going to suck. Oh no, because yeah, to be not a triangle. Yeah, okay, that could also meet. So let's put the not a triangle. So case when or basically none of these combos should be valid. So for not a triangle, right, if any one of the sides is equal to or greater than the other two sides, it's not possible for that to be a triangle. So there's only going to be 3 cases, and that'll be C. And then let's run the code. Oh, there's no then not a triangle, and then else isosceles. Oops. All right, let's try it. Hen, where's hen? Oh, there's only supposed to be 1 case. Okay. Good to know. So case is like a blanket if statement, and then the when is like, so case is like saying, oh, we're going to have an if statement, and then, oh, I'm wrong. Okay, so let's check. Greater than. So yeah, this is all 3 cases for when one side is greater or equal than to the other 2 sides. Then when A equal B and B equal C. Oh, because for this scaling, if A and C are equal, it won't catch that. Okay. And A is not equal to C. So, yeah, because if A is equal to B, and B is equal to C. Yeah, because B is equal to B. So this logic is correct for equilateral. When or A equals C. So let's run, and then let's see if any of these are equal. Alright, so we have outputs for every single case, but for some reason, oh, let's comment that out, but for some reason, we are still not succeeding on every case. Alright, so let's double check case 1. So yeah, this looks correct. And then that's equilateral, that case looks correct. And then scalene is none of them are equal. And then isosceles is when either of them are equal. So I'm really confused at why that's wrong. Oh, I think I got it. No, scalene is three sides of different lengths. And isosceles is 2. I'm just gonna ask what's wrong. Okay, so isosceles needs to be before scalene. Because I guess some might get okay, so I asked ChatGPT and it said that you need to put isosceles before scalene. But what's the logic? Because it doesn't make sense, because you can't be both at the same time.
Google, turn on
Alright, I have no idea why this is not working. Alright, let's try checking for zeros. Oh, I just realized we can select the whole table. So select star. Alright, so now I'm gonna go paste this, which type each is, so I can paste as Excel column. And then I'm going to go run my code, and then we're going to compare and see where it's going wrong. Alright, time to compare. Isosceles equilateral, isosceles scaling. Okay, look at this. They're all the same. So something is wrong with the test data, because ChatGPT said that these are what all the triangles are. So I have no idea why that's wrong. Let's use someone else's code and see if it works. Their code doesn't work. Let's try this person. Oh, somehow theirs works. So confused. So they do the opposite. They check if it's a valid triangle beforehand. So my guess is maybe that equal sign is the reason why this doesn't work. But that was pretty bad solving time.